Welcome to this edition of IFPTI's Food Safety Microburst, a short lesson covering an important food safety topic. In this lesson, you will learn about the characteristics of sanitizers, along with the different types of sanitizers that are commonly used within the food industry. This microburst lesson is adapted from the Sanitation Practices online course, which was developed by the Association of Food and Drug Officials and IFPTI with guidance from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration through a cooperative agreement. As you would expect, different sanitizers are appropriate for different purposes. For example, you might choose a different sanitizer for food contact surfaces than one you would use to sanitize your hands. Sanitizing follows the cleaning step in the sanitation process. When selecting a sanitizer to use on food contact surfaces, including utensils, it is important to evaluate the properties, advantages, and disadvantages of the sanitizer for specific applications. Ideally, sanitizers should be approved for food contact surfaces, have a wide range or scope of activity, should destroy microorganisms rapidly, be stable under intended use conditions, be tolerant of a broad range of environmental conditions, be readily solubilized, and be low in toxicity and corrosiveness. The strength of a sanitizer is measured in parts per million. Test kits from the chemical manufacturer should be used to make sure the sanitizer solution is at the appropriate strength. Too little sanitizer means the mixture will be ineffective. Too much sanitizer equates to a potentially toxic and unsafe mixture. One way to measure a sanitizer's concentration is with test strips. The test strips change color according to the concentration of the sanitizer. When using a test strip, it's always important to follow the manufacturer's instructions. The effectiveness of a sanitizer is not always predictable. Sanitizers can lose strength over time, so periodic testing is essential. Additionally, water that is highly alkaline or highly acidic may require the addition of buffering agents to make some sanitizers more effective, like chlorine-based sanitizers and iodophores, which are iodine-based sanitizers. Some of the most common types of sanitizers include thermal, chlorine-based, iodophore, quaternary ammonium compounds, and peroxide combinations. We hope that you have enjoyed this edition of IFPTI's Food Safety Microburst, a short lesson covering an important food safety topic. In this lesson, you learned about the characteristics of sanitizers, along with the different types of sanitizers that are commonly used within the food industry. For more information on sanitizers and sanitation practices, you may want to take the Sanitation Practices course on IFPTI's Learning Resource Portal at ifpti.yourlrp.org. If you are a U.S. regulatory official, the course may be available at no charge on FDA's PathLore system.